Notary Certificate of Service authenticating delivery and due process. Introduction. A Notary Certificate of Service is a formal, notarized document used to confirm that a legal or administrative document has been delivered, or served, to a specific party, following lawful procedures. It serves as third-party evidence and plays a crucial role in due process by documenting when, how, and to whom documents were sent. This certificate adds credibility, verifiability, and legal weight to your notice or demand. Purpose of the Notary Certificate of Service. The main objectives are: proof of delivery, verifies the delivery of critical documents, such as affidavits, notices, demands, or legal instruments. Third-party verification, establishes a neutral, professional party, the notary, as a witness to the mailing or delivery. Due process assurance, ensures that the party receiving the document cannot deny receiving it. Record keeping, provides a timestamped and recorded document to be used in legal or administrative proceedings. Estoppel protection, prevents the other party from claiming ignorance of service or delaying response. Legal foundation. Uniform Commercial Code, UCC, Article 1 to 202b, regarding the effect of notice. Federal Rules of Civil Procedure, Rule 4, refers to service of process. State notary laws. Each state has specific notary regulations that allow for the notarization of documents and affidavits. Common law principles of due process, the right to be properly notified before any judgment or enforcement action. Contents of a Notary Certificate of Service. A properly drafted Notary Certificate of Service should include: 1. Title, Notary Certificate of Service. 2. Name of the servant, the person sending the documents. 3. Date of mailing/service. 4. Method of delivery, e.g., USPS certified mail hash, registered mail hash, personal service. 5. Recipient's name and address. 6. List of documents served. 7. Statement of truth, e.g., I hereby certify. 8. Signature of the servant. 9. Notary acknowledgement. Jurisdiction. Date of notarization. Notary's name, commission number, expiration. Signature and official seal. How to use the Certificate of Service. 1. Prepare the notices or documents, ensure the contents are complete and ready for mailing. 2. Complete the Certificate of Service form, include all the required information. 3. Take the document to a notary, sign it in front of the notary, not before. 4. Mail or serve the documents, retain proof of mailing, e.g., tracking number, receipt. 5. Make copies, keep one copy for your records, one for filing if necessary. Best practices. Always use certified mail or registered mail for tracking. Make the Certificate of Service part of your administrative record. Use the notary's seal and ensure the notary is in good standing with their commissioning authority. Combine with affidavits of truth or notice of fault/default to reinforce your position. Common applications, administrative processes, e.g., notice of conditional acceptance, legal proceedings, civil or criminal filings, trust, estate, or lien notifications, contract rescissions or revocations, tax or financial disputes, sovereign citizen or private remedy documentation. Benefits of using a Notary Certificate of Service. Credibility, adds legal credibility to your documentation. Protection, shields against claims of non-receipt or improper delivery. Preparation for court, provides documentation in the event legal proceedings arise. Power of paperwork. In administrative remedies, paperwork is power. This certificate seals your effort with authority. Conclusion. The Notary Certificate of Service is a vital tool for anyone engaging in administrative or legal remedies. It ensures transparency, enhances your legal position, and provides indisputable proof that a notice or document was properly served. In a world where paperwork determines outcomes, having a notarized record can make the difference between success and dismissal.